Well, despite our wild Wisconsin weather, the trees and flowers are starting to bloom.
Yes, finally. For people with allergies, though, they start to spring, and the roller coaster forecast can also bring some pretty miserable symptoms. If you start sneezing, have a runny nose, and itchy eyes when the pollen counts rise, there are some ways to get relief. We spoke with SSM Health allergist Dr. Julia Thornton.
I usually recommend allergy medications if you're having symptoms that are bothersome to you. So you don't have to have super severe symptoms to benefit from medications. That being said, if you can avoid the allergens themselves, that's always the first line.
If you'd like to reduce the pollen count in your home, taking off your shoes and clothes that you wore outside will prevent tracking some pollen into your house.